Are you a sophisticated man in search of a watch that screams elegance and quality? Look no further. Introducing our analog quartz chronograph watches with imported quartz movement for precise timekeeping and a stylish design with 3 subdials. For the business professional after a timeless timepiece, our business dress men watches feature diamond Roman indexes and a handy date display window. Elevate your style game with our stylish stainless steel watches, boasting a solid stainless steel bracelet and easy adjustment for a comfy fit. Stay ready with our 3 ATM waterproof watch /Luminous, perfect for daily wear and complete with a luminous function for easy reading in the dark. Luxury awaits with OLEVS men's watches, supported by a responsive after-sales team for any questions or assistance you may require. Ideal for dads, boyfriends, and brothers, our watches are the perfect gift for special occasions like Valentine's Day or birthdays. Go for quality, precision, and style with our watches designed for the fashion-forward man who values meticulous design details.